Hello everyone, it's December the 7th. We have had 7 days of our advent calendar so far, and so we've opened six doors, and today we are going to open the 7th. So, what is behind door number 7? We have a picture of like a gift, a jar of some sort, and this is Luke chapter 2 verses 1. Now in those days, a decree went out from Caesar Augustus that all the world should be enrolled. So we're talking here about the census, where Mary and Joseph had to travel to Bethlehem for the census. So we've had an angel, we've had Mary agreeing, and then Joseph agreeing, and now they are being told that they have to go back to Bethlehem. So we'll find out what happens behind door number 8 tomorrow. Bye!